Sit down, Penny. Penny, sit down. That's a good girl.
Hey, she was in trouble. She was. Don't worry, you will never see her again. I'm a street rat, remember? And there's a law. She's got to marry a prince.
Penny.
She deserves a prince. I'm a fool. Who are you?
Penny, you meant to eat it.